Welcome to Excel Logic Pro, where you will learn different functions and formulas. Today I'm going to teach you how to use OR function in Excel. OR function is a built-in function in Excel which will return true if one of the condition or the criteria meets the condition. You can have different conditions or different criteria, and if one of the condition or both meet the condition, the result will be true. But if both does not meet the condition, the result will be false. Start with equal sign, then or open bracket. I'm going to check if x2 is equal to AU1, also Z2 is equal to AU1. This one is equal to this, comma, this one is equal to this. So I'm going to check if grade in this subject is F, also if grade in this subject is F. So if both criteria meet the condition, the result will be true. Or if one of these, either this one or this one, meet the condition, the result is true. But if both does not meet the condition, the result will be false. So or means one of these, either one or both meet the criteria, the condition, or it will return to true result. This one is true because if you check, this one is F and this one is F, it is true. Even if I change this one, also the result will be true because one of these, which is this one, meet the condition. In the formula, or means if anyone from these criteria, for example, this one has C, but this does not meet the condition, but this subject has F. So one of these criteria meet the condition. So the result is true. This is. But if I change also this one, or this does not meet the condition, so the result will be false. This one is grade in this subject is C, also grade in this subject is C. So there is no any grade which is equal to F. So the result will be false. To duplicate this formula to other cells, drag this, drag to all students. You can check this one because, for example, this one is A, B, while our formula need all these criteria or one of these to be F. But this one is A, this is D. Also, when you come to this one, A does not meet the condition. Let's say, see this one, F, all these meet the condition. X, this one is equal to F, also this one is equal to F. Even if I change this one to be C also meet the condition because we have one F from this range. We have one F, so the answer will be true. Also, when we check this, we have one F. At least one of the criteria meet the condition. The answer will be true. Otherwise, if both criteria does not meet the condition, the answer will be false. For example, when you see this one, we have A. There is no any subject which has F grade, so it will return to F. We used this one. Also, I can add this formula. Let's say AQ is less than 26, comma. So I have three criteria. I want to check if these criteria meet the condition. Let's say I have F in this subject. Also, I have F in this subject. So the result is true because this one meets the condition. In my formula, I have said that AQ, if AQ is less than 26, or X2 is equal to AU, which is F. Also, Z2 is equal to AU, which is F. So this one is equal to F. Also, this one is equal to F. This one is less than 26. So all these criteria meet the condition. So the answer is true. Even if I change this one, this one does not meet the condition. This criteria does not meet the condition because this one is equal to C. Also, this one is equal to A. But this meets the condition because this is less than 26. So the result will be true. So our function return true if either both or one of the condition, one of the criteria, if one of the criteria is true in a given condition. I can put, let's say, put this one. Also, the result will be true because I have F grade in this subject. This one does not meet the condition. Also, this criteria does not meet the condition because this is greater than 26 is not less than 26. So one from these criteria does meet condition. But if I change this one, all these criteria does not meet the condition. So the result will be F. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe in order to get more important videos from this channel. Like, share, and comment. Thank you.